Hi guys, it's Michaela with your Everyday Woman, and today I'm going to go ahead and do an all shimmery tutorial using the new Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette and a mini review. So if you'd like to see how I got this ultra glittery look, and in my opinion it's very wearable, some may think differently, but I mean you can never go wrong with glitter. So just keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is just the original one. I just got a sample of it, part of Ulta's promotions. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and set it with the shade Good Karma. Just using a big brush here.
Upside down and turn around.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the shade Tiger's Eye, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Just blend it in with a big fluffy blending brush.
And right down. And now jumping, jump. And turn around. And right down and shake. Yay!
To deepen that up, I'm going to go in with the brush that came in the palette.
And right down.
And I'm going to go ahead and go into Meditate in the outer V.
And now turn around. Right down.
Just going to put that in the outer V and then blend upwards.
Yeah, turn around, sit, and
So I think I picked that shade up. Thought I accidentally picked the third eye, but either way for this look, we want Meditate.
Turn around.
And then just blend that into the crease as well. No, I think I picked it up right. Never mind. It's coming off as shimmery. Next, I'm going to take the shade Vibes here and just using any finger. I typically use my ring finger, but whatever finger works for you, I'm taking the shade Vibes. And I'm placing it all over the lid. Please enjoy my 2-year-old singing in the background. Afterwards, I'm going to take the shade Opal Aura on my pointer finger here, and that's just going to go into the inner corner. And I'm just going to place that like right here. I'm going to kind of bring it under my eye a little bit, and just in the very inner corner, just to brighten that up a little bit. And then going back in with the shade Meditate, I'm just going to bring that on my lower lash line.
Are you okay? Yeah. Oh no.
And
No, it's okay.
And I'm going to go ahead and go in with mascara and finish up the other eye, and I will be right back. And that's the final look. I just used my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and for lips I just put on this Winky Lux Confetti Lip Balm just to give my lips a little bit of color. This one is in the shade Rainbow. But overall, honestly, this palette here, it's pretty good. The quality's good. The formula is unique. However, it kind of took me a while to really figure out what color the shimmers came off as, because they show one thing in the palette, but I feel like swatched they come off a little bit different. So when I came up with this look, I really had to swatch and kind of play around with the colors before I really knew what they would look like on the eyes. So for a beginner friendly palette, I definitely would not recommend it. But if you are wanting a unique formula, I mean the glitter in here is really like 3D kind of glitter. So it's really neat. It's a really unique formula. It's really fun to play around with. As a beginner, I would not personally recommend this eyeshadow palette. I think it'd be good if you were if like me, you would just enjoy makeup and extra formulas. I mean, and you could get it but you could make it work as a beginner. I just don't think it was hard for me to understand the glitters in this palette, so for somebody who doesn't know makeup like I do, it might be kind of difficult. Anyway, I hope you heard all of that based on my kids crying in the background, but before things get too crazy, I'm going to go ahead and pick them up. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. God bless, and bye guys.